Can cats eat fried chicken? No, cats should not eat fried chicken because it is unhealthy and potentially dangerous for them. While chicken itself is a great source of protein for felines, the frying process adds excessive fats and oils that can upset your cat's stomach. Feeding fried chicken to cats can lead to severe digestive issues like vomiting, diarrhea, or even pancreatitis due to the high fat content. Furthermore, the crispy batter often contains garlic powder, onion powder, and excessive salt, all of which are toxic to felines. Another major hazard is the presence of cooked bones. If you are wondering if it is safe for cats to eat fried chicken, remember that cooked chicken bones can easily splinter, causing internal punctures or choking. If your feline accidentally consumed fried chicken and shows signs of illness, you should consult a veterinarian immediately for professional guidance. If you want to feed your pet chicken, stick to plain, unseasoned boiled chicken breast with all bones removed. Is fried chicken safe for cats to consume? The clear answer is no, so keep this greasy fast food away from your pet.